Hello students and friends, welcome back to Learners Academy. Today is day 13, chapter 3, handwritten notes, give reasons, question 2 of the board exams worth 4 marks. Today is day 3 for science 2. Chapter is life process and living organisms part 2, a very big and interesting chapter. It has a good weightage in your board exams. In all your exams, give reasons are asked from this chapter a lot. Many questions come from this chapter. Let's begin with the chapter. Crack your 10th boards with guarantee. Question wise preparation for the exams. Why am I doing question wise preparation for exams? This question might have come across your mind. See, studying everything in a random order in an uneven manner may not be an organized way of studying. A question wise preparation for exams, first doing the MCQs, then the differentiate, distinguish, then the give reasons, then the 3 markers, then the diagram based, then numericals, then diagram questions, and then the last main big questions, and then the notes. Studying anything in a systematic order, in a systematic manner, just like question wise preparation, is the best thing that you can do for your 10th standard. I had personally done question wise preparation for exams, not only in science 1, science 2, in all the other subjects as well, and it's very easy to do it question wise, and I will always suggest to you do it question wise preparation. That will give you the best marks and that will give you the best efficiency. Prepare these give reasons from each chapters to ensure 4 marks from question 2A. There will be 3 questions in 2A. You have the choice to attempt any 2. I am repeating myself for the 13th time now. If you have not watched the other videos, please go to my channel and watch them first. I'll always suggest to you attempt the entire paper. If you keep on giving practice tests, keep on giving practice papers, your overall speed will increase, your handwriting will increase, you'll be very clear, you'll be very neat in your paper, and by the end of the day you'll be able to write the entire paper. It's not a difficult task. Anyone can write the entire paper if they wish to. Yeah, in chapter 3 we have 8 most important give reasons for you. Let's start with the give reasons now. Get above 95%. Yes, you will get it. I don't need to explain anything to you now. Just work hard and show your interest in science subject. You'll get it. Okay. Individuals produced by sexual reproduction always carry recombined genes of both the parents. Individuals produced by sexual reproduction always carry recombined genes of both the parents because in sexual reproduction, haploid male and female gametes are united to form a diploid zygote. The zygote carries the chromosomes of both the parents. Gametes are produced by meiosis, where genetic recombination takes place. Therefore, copy the last statement from the question. Very easy answer. Study this well. Now let's move to the second give reason. Flower is a structural unit of sexual reproduction in plants. Because flower produces male and female gametes. For this purpose, there are essential whorls like androecium, gynoecium, etc. The double fertilization takes place in flowers. Therefore, flower is a structural unit of sexual reproduction in plants. Very easy and small answer. Write only these many points to get your 2 marks. You don't need to write an entire half page or an entire full page to get 2 marks. The answers can be this small if you wish as well. Answers can be as small as this also and as big as this also. Okay, as big as this, give reason 3. Fertilization in plants is called double fertilization. Listen students, this is a very important answer. There's already another note for this answer, which is the 3 marker note, which can come. Or they can give a paragraph and ask 3 questions on this. They can directly ask you 3 questions by giving you a diagram. This part of the chapter is very important. Study this well. There's a page in the textbook. Write the page in the comments because I have forgotten the page number. There's this page in the textbook where the hibiscus flower and its diagram is given. That particular diagram is also very important in this chapter. Study and label that diagram well. It will come for one of your exams. We really don't know the diagram as well as its explanation. Let's start with this. Fertilization in plants is called double fertilization due to the following reasons. After pollination, the pollen grains drop on the sticky stigma of the flower. They germinate here, producing 2 male gametes and a long pollen tube. The male gametes travel through the pollen tube till they reach the embryo sac. Here the male gametes are released by bursting the pollen tube. One male gamete unites with the egg cell to form zygote, while the second male gamete unites with the polar nuclei forming endosperm. Very, 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 very important line. You don't have to miss out on this one. This is very, very important, my dear friends and students. Because two nuclei participate in the fertilization process, therefore fertilization is called double fertilization. Very important fantasy answer. Study this well. Now let's move to the fourth give reason. By the age of 45-50, women get menopause. By the age of 45-50, women get menopause due to the following reasons. By the age of 45-50, the secretion of hormones which control the functioning of the female reproductive system either stops or becomes irregular. This gradually leads to menopause, that is irregularity in the menstrual cycle. From the age of puberty up to the age of menopause, that is from 10 to 17 years of age to 45-50 years of age, an ovum is released every month from the ovary. That is, out of 2 to 4 million ova, approximately 400 oocytes are released up to the age of menopause. Remaining undergo degeneration. Very easy answer. It's a good sized answer. Study this well. You need to understand the concept really well. Now let's move to the fifth give reason. Older women have greater chance of conceiving abnormal children. Why? Because in older women, the oocyte release from the ovary are not normal. Oocyte release from the ovaries during the last few months nearing the age of menopause are 40 to 50 years old. Their ability of meiotic division has been diminished till now. Due to this, they cannot complete meiotic division properly. If such oocytes are fertilized, the newborn baby is born with many genetic problems like Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, etc. Very easy answer, very important answer as well. Study this properly. I don't want to constantly keep on telling you study this properly, study this properly. Pause for a while, take a screenshot, rewind the video, watch it again, and I will definitely suggest to you watch the video again and again. Listen to me narrating you this answer. It will really help you well. All your revision will be done in one video itself. An entire chapter will be done. You'll be prepared for your board exams. Give reason 6. Indians should follow family planning for population control. Because there is severe population explosion in India, across 125 crores. This results in unemployment, decreasing per capita income, stress on natural resources. Only by controlling the population, the quality of life can be restored. Therefore, Indians should follow family planning. Very important answer. Let's move to the seventh give reason now. Gender of the child is determined by the male partner of the couple. Listen to me, dear students. This is the most important give reason. This is the most important answer of this particular chapter. This is asked way across the entire 10th standard in your unit test, in your term exam, it may even come in your board exam. We don't have any guarantee. In your prelims, it's a very important answer, and this comes across as any other type of question as well. Let me read it for you. Gender of the child is determined by the male partner of the couple due to the following reasons. In human beings, male, the 23rd pair of chromosome contains X chromosomes and Y chromosomes, that is 44 plus XX and 44 plus XY. In females, the 23rd pair of contains only 2 X chromosomes, that is 44 plus XX. The children inherit one X chromosome from the mother, 22 plus X, and the other chromosome 22 plus X or 22 plus Y, which is inherited from the father. If the chromosome inherited from the father is X, child is equal to girl. If the chromosome inherited from the father is Y, child is equal to boy. Thus, gender of a child is determined by the male partner of a couple. Very, very important answer. This definitely comes for any of your exams. Study this thoroughly. And the diagram given below here demonstrates the above writing in very short and precise language. Father, sperms, is 22 plus X or 22 plus Y. Mother, oocytes, is only 22 plus X. Daughter is 44 plus XX, and the son is 44 plus XY. the screen is cutting that particular part. Let me write it for you. So yeah, sorry, let's write that in red ink. Daughter is 44 plus x and son is 44 plus xy. Very important, mention the diagram properly, box it. It will be very neat and it will give a good impression to the examiner. And it is it is very important to draw the diagrams, just because they have marks. In a 2-mark give reason, the diagram is worth 1 mark. So it is important. It is an important task to draw the diagram. I don't need to repeat myself now. Let's conclude with the last give reason. There is a need of rest along with special care during menstruation. There is need of rest along with special care during menstruation due to the following reasons. Menstrual cycle is a natural cycle with unfertilized ovum along with the lining of endometrium, which is discharged through the vagina. During menstruation, bleeding occurs continuously for approximately 4 to 5 days. Severe pain and weakness is felt due to heavy bleeding. Also, there is a higher probability of infection or any disease coming during this particular period. Thus, there is need of rest along with special care during menstruation. Now let's conclude today's lecture, my dear friends. Keep smiling, keep learning, revise daily, share all your knowledge and experience with friends. Stay safe, have fun, stay healthy, keep learning. All the best to your 10th standards. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to Learners Academy. I'll be uploading more videos. Science 2 I'll finish, then I will upload distinguish between for Science 1 and Science 2. And on that note, bye bye. All the best to your 10th standard.